Meaning of delusion.
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 Delusion. Delusion refers to a belief or idea that is not based on reality. It is a persistent and strong conviction despite evidence to the contrary. Delusions can manifest in various forms, such as false beliefs about oneself, others, or the world, and they can be a symptom of certain mental health conditions, such as schizophrenia or bipolar disorder. The result of delusions can be harmful, as individuals may act on their false beliefs and make decisions that have negative consequences for themselves or others. Ultimately, delusions can impair one's ability to function in daily life.